Here I am at the flea market. Check these out. Look at these toys. All kinds of wild toys. I see Batmobiles. Little Batmobiles. There's a Draculaura. I forget who that one is. Different figures and toys. This is cool. Look at this. Homemade Mr. T Cabbage Patch. That's cool. That's awesome. Look at that. That's cool. Check this out. They're getting ready to mill some lumber. Look at that baby. I just popped a new samurai sword right there too at the flea market, new in the box. The Last Samurai katana from the movie, brand new with the tags on it and everything. Alright, 660 International, customer here. Hello YouTube, MOUNTAINOUS here. Here we are at the 2021 Threshermen's reunion in Pontiac, Illinois. I haven't been to this event since I was a child, maybe when I was 11 years old. It's been over 30 years. We're doing it big and I'm bringing you along on the adventure. Check that out. That's old school. Check that out. Look at this thing. Yeah, here we are at the Threshermen's reunion. I haven't been here for at least 30 years. My dad used to bring me here, me and my brothers, when we were kids. Look at that old Minneapolis Moline. Check it out. Check out this old Minneapolis Moline's tractor here. Those tires, metal tires, 8 feet tall. That's old school. If you like old school tractors, you'll like the Threshermen's reunion. I remember this when I was a kid. Check these out. I know my friend Nate digs this. Look at that old Minneapolis Moline right there. Check it out. That's restored nice. That's how the 165 should be, huh, Zim? Yeah. Look at all these Minneapolis Moline tractors here. Check these out. Look at those old school ones back there. Look at these Fords. Look at that old school Ford tractor. Alright guys, we're just hitting up the flea market. We found this place that's got old school candy. Check this out. The old candy buttons. Rock salt suckers, homemade candy. I got a few of those. Different flavors. The old school Nico wafers. My mom likes those. Some different jerkies, mango, jalapeno, just a bunch of snacks. Homemade old school food. All right, let's keep looking around. Yeah, there's flea markets all over the place. I picked up 12 little action figures for $2. I just got all this candy and food. There's all kinds of knives and stuff for sale. All right, we're gonna keep looking around. Check this out, guys. I just got this legit bullwhip. Brand new bullwhip, and it's long. It's the real deal Indiana Jones bullwhip for $10. Oh yeah, baby, check that out. We're gonna keep shopping. I found some samurai swords, some action figures, a little bit of army stuff. There's all kinds of stuff here at the flea market. Alright guys, the tractor pulls are about to start. We're doing it big.
Alright, 660 International. Test over here in the 6 mile an hour and he's over, right? Way over on speed, so that's not going to work. Alright, Bob C. Bar, John Deere 4020. These were 404 cubic inches natural. And again, green paint with yellow wheels, very popular. But do you know how many small companies survive off of that? Making something to make the John Deere product work. Alright. Bob, I didn't even look, but yeah. Yeah, we're good. We're at 2.9. Year number 2, I'm guessing. That's where she spins her wheels. The ride's over 260 feet, 0.51.
Check out my old school candy. Nika wafers, rock candy suckers, candy buttons. Oh yeah, that's doing it big. Oh yeah, baby, he's doing it big.
We're at 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 7.
Oh yeah, get it.
4, 9.
Alright YouTube, here we are. We're back at the Threshermen's reunion. It's Saturday. Yesterday we just came and checked out all the flea markets, bought some cool stuff, checked out the tractors, the horses. Today we're going to get some food, do some more events. Yesterday we saw some of the tractor pulls. Here we are. I'm bringing you along again on the adventure. Check out these metal tires. Look how massive these are. I'm 6'3", and check that out.
Well, you have to keep an eye on that.
Check this out at the flea market. I see this old school Honda 3-wheeler. 500 bucks. It says, how cool is that? Look at that. That's old school. Says it runs good. Awesome.
You guys are in the exit.
We're coming through. Get out the way, baby.
These guys are my customers. I just brought their stuff to the car. Thank you.
Well guys, at the fair a couple weeks ago I got a funnel cake, but I was craving an elephant ear and I didn't get one. They sell them over here. I think I'm gonna get one. Oh yeah, baby. Even Frankenstein says this is big. Look at this 16-inch wide elephant ear, Big Daddy. Oh God, I'm gonna go big. I popped this Frankenstein, and I got a Werewolf Universal Studios vintage action figure, a quarter for both of them. The Wolfman's in my pack, and then I got this Frankenstein here. That's awesome. Oh yeah, baby, look at this. Baby, I haven't had one of these in years. That's got to be a 16-incher. We're doing it. Oh yeah, Threshermen's reunion. I haven't done this since I was a kid. This is wild. Dad used to bring us 1916. Check that out. And look at this old Massey Ferguson combine. That's cool. Look at that. Tiny little combine, Massey Ferguson. That is cool. Look at that. That's so cool. Check out these horses. That's cool. Check this out. They're getting ready to mill some lumber. Look at that baby. Oh yeah, that's how we do it real big. That's cool. Doing it old school. I'm getting ready to watch them mill this lumber, old school, and I can smell homemade kettle corn. They got a homemade kettle corn place around here. It's making Big Daddy hungry. Check that out. That's how they do it old school, milling lumber. Here we are watching some blacksmithing over here. It's pretty cool.
I bet.
That's pretty cool.
Actually hot.
That's awesome.
Yeah,
That's pretty cool. Look at that. Oh yeah, baby. I just got me a corn dog, but it's got a bratwurst inside of it instead of a hot dog. And then a big cheese stick coming. We're doing it big. Check it out, guys. Fried mozzarella on a stick. We're doing it big, Midwest style. Look at that. Just fried cheese. I just put down that bratwurst corn dog. What's next? Here we are at the steam shed. This is like going back in time. Look at this. I feel like this is the Industrial Revolution or something, you know? This is when you're doing it real big. Oh yeah, guys, we're about to head home for the day and we're gonna grab some kettle corn on the way out. We did it big. I'm glad I could bring you guys along for these 2 days of the Threshermen's reunion. We had a blast. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, feed me. Mountainous is hungry. This is small town living, baby.
How are you doing tonight?
I'm doing good. How are you?
Are you going over the pool? No, I don't think I'm going to do the pool.
One large bag, thank you.
Well, can't get a hold of it.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
What size would you like? Everybody wants it.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Look at this big log. This is awesome. This is still hot and warm. This is killer kettle corn. Oh yeah, baby. That's pretty cool. All I know is this place is packed. This is small town living, baby. Tractor pulls are about to begin, but we saw them yesterday. We're getting ready to head out. Not sure if we'll make it back, but we were here yesterday and today, had a good time. Oh yeah, this is awesome. We're full. We ate a lot of unhealthy food. Spent a lot of money on flea market stuff. I missed out on a Rambo bow and arrow. actual licensed Rambo compound bow from the movie Rambo 2 somebody had at the flea market. Oh well. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that Threshermen's reunion video. I hadn't been there in decades. It was super fun. I picked up some cool stuff at the flea market. A samurai sword, a few knives, a bullwhip, some action figures. We had a good time. Remember, if you enjoy my content, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And until the next adventure, Mountainous out.